Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing our fourth Ramadan setup. It's for Iftar that my sister is throwing. We was doing something really simple here. The colors we're using, I have blush double stuffed with a coffee in the inside. I have like a white sand inside white. More so the nude look, and then I will be doing a metallic burgundy double stuff with a black in the inside. And right now I'm just blowing up my duplexes, making some quads. I didn't want to make the full clusters because I wasn't trying to make the garland too thick per se, because it was going on a wall and it wasn't too big. So I was just trying to do something really simple. As you guys know, I'm fasting, so I wasn't trying to do too much. Wanted to save my energy as much as possible. But right now I am building the mini clusters. I am using 4 balloons, like a quad, to make these, and I end up making 6 of them. And right here I'm comparing them. One of them I use 4 balloons to make the clusters, and the other one I use 3 balloons to make them. So I was trying to see which one I like better. I think I end up liking the 4 balloons instead of the 3 balloons. But we are now on site. I did use the clear command hooks on the wall, which I got those from Amazon. And for those, I didn't use the blue tape like I did on the previous video, probably about 2 videos ago. But I didn't do the blue tape on that one, only because I didn't feel like it. To be honest, I didn't feel like it. So for these, I did wipe the wall off, make sure there was like no dust or nothing on there, no oil or anything. And then I pressed the clear command hook on the wall and just pretty much held it there for about 30 seconds. And then I didn't actually attach the balloons on there probably until like 45 minutes later. I wanted to give it some time. But I end up doing neck to neck. As you guys know, I tied the balloons neck to neck to create the body of it. And then I just started to go in adding these mini clusters, and I didn't do any 5-inch balloons other than the burgundy, which I typically just wanted to add those in as an accent. So that's why I did those in the 5-inch balloons only. I didn't want to use too much because it's really like a really strong color. I don't know how else to explain it right now. I'm sorry, it's late right now, and I just decided to do this voiceover for whatever reason. But I had purchased those florals. Oh wait.
We home. You ain't cooking. You ain't moving, shaking, nothing.
Greedy. Like, get out. We hungry and you over here dancing to the food.
This one.
Fun times with my sisters. But I purchased these florals from Hobby Lobby, and right here I'm just showing you guys to add gaff tape at the tips if it have like those metal pieces coming out. Excuse me, I'm sorry y'all. But right here I'm tying another neck to the cluster of 4 that I had, 4 balloons that I had down there. If it's a little loose when you add a cluster, just tie another neck and it will pretty much tighten it up. And you can also use a 260 to make it really tight. I just used another neck to tie it again. And I'm just adding some floral in. I'm sorry, did I ever say I purchased these florals from Hobby Lobby? I don't know if I ever got it out the first time. But I purchased all these florals from Hobby Lobby. I actually walked in and I walked right into it. It was perfect, and it went right with the metallic burgundy balloons. And that was all I really did with this look. And I couldn't get, I forgot to get the other, well, not forgot, but I don't know. This is the end. I don't know if I'm going to upload this or not. I may just still upload it. Why not? This is how everything turned out. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.